Brianna. Welcome to the frequently asked questions from the Henna guys. Today we're going to talk about some tips to make henna last longer, more vibrant and colorful on your hair. The first tip is to explore if dyeing on dirty or clean hair works better for you. For me personally, when there's a little bit more oil on my scalp, it gives the henna something to stick to, but for other hair types and other people, dyeing on a 100% clean scalp that you freshly shampooed and dried will work better for you. The next tip is based on how vibrant you want your hair color. So the Henna guys do recommend doing a strand test to see how the color is going to show up on your hair. You can just take a little piece of hair kind of underneath your neck or two, leave one on for about an hour and leave the second strand on for about 3 hours. Wash it out and see what color you like better after about 2 to 3 days. Because if you do an hour or two, that's gonna get a lighter, more subtle color than if you were to leave it on for 3 hours. The 3-hour color will be very rich, could potentially be darker. And because henna is permanent, you're not able to remove color afterwards. So if you're new to henna, definitely give it a try for 1 to 2 hours. Rinsing it out, waiting about a day or two to see how the color will develop. And then if you want it a little bit darker, doing a second application of the henna on your hair for a little bit longer. The third tip is what to mix your henna with. So you can always use standard water if you have other powders that you're using to help the health of your hair. The other tip is if you want a more red toned henna, say you're using a deep red or a burgundy, you can mix a little bit of apple cider vinegar in with your henna. If you're using a more brown based henna, like a dark brown, a brown, then you can use brewed coffee in that to really bring out the brown tones in your henna. The last tip is just for taking care of your hair after you henna it to make the color last longer. So that's going to be shampooing with a sulfate-free shampoo. The Henna guys do offer that. Other types of shampoos can really strip the oils from the hair. They can strip the henna from the hair. They can just make your hair look really dry. And to have that rich, vibrant color, you want your hair to be healthy. And so henna is going to really aid in the health of your hair, but long term, you definitely want the products you're using on your hair to be aiding in that as well. So definitely recommend a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Limited heat on your hair, if you can, will definitely make the henna appear more vibrant. Also limited salt water, chlorine water in pools, things like that. That's it for this frequently asked questions. Stay tuned for more from the Henna guys.